How do we determine if this is a boat? It floats and it holds me.
Now float, I think it will.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Right now it's a boat.
Now it's a boat.
Right now it's a fucking boat. Oh my god, it floats.
Now you just sit down. Oh, slide it. Okay.
Get it up first. Get it. No,
Fine,
you see how this one?
It's fine.
Ah! It's because of my weight. On God, it's because of my weight. Look.
I mean, you're floating, though.
Oh shit! Oh wait, this is fire! We